Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the country and language in the LATAM Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the Change Country and Language button. And then click on the Country of Residence button. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the countries and languages available for this application. So if you found yours, then just click on the Change Language button, and then the country and the language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.